steep here and really dangerous if you don't pay attention where you step. I try to photograph them in flight, but they're so fast and it's so hard. I got the flight shot. I got the flight shot. Nice. Up on the hillside here, there's a bird, a seabird called little auk, and that is the plan, to photograph them and then go further up the mountains to see if we can see the fox. But I'm really excited about this little bird here, the little auk. You can probably hear them on the hillside here flying around all over the place. So there's good possibilities for some cool images, both in flight and portraits as well. Steep, very steep. But cannot complain. Perfect view and a lot of birds. A lot. This is really awesome. The little auk is in front of me here. There's like 5-6 birds sitting on rocks here. So what I'm trying to do here is isolate the bird with using some stones in the foreground. This is nice. I have birds flying over my head all the time here. There's so many birds. I cannot describe how awesome this is. Perfect. It's not without danger sitting in this slope. The danger of avalanche is always there. And while we were sitting there, we can hear that a little avalanche was roaming down the hillside. And we all stopped breathing there for a moment. my wish came true. It landed right there where I hoped it would land. Look at this really cool image there of the little auk. Can I wish for more? Ah, that was nice. It looks like a mini penguin. Look at this awesome little bird. Oh, it's steep here and really dangerous if you don't pay attention where you step. But how awesome was that? The little auk landed on that perfect rock which I hoped it would land on, with some moss and really cool texture. I'm happy, really happy. And I think I'm probably going to go down now. There is quite a walk down and steep. So yeah. I don't know if you can hear the noise of the birds. It sounds like a flock of people laughing. It's really awesome to be present here and listen to this awesome sound. How cool. Oh, there comes a flock. I tried to photograph them in flight, but they're so fast and it's so hard. There is some little auk on the rock there, maybe 15 meters from me. Nice. I got the flight shot. I got the flight shot. Oh, nice. Oh, that was great. And a perfect background as well. I actually got the flight shot. A flight shot with this fast bird there. I could not be more happy about that. Last year, I was honored to be a judge on the world's first YouTube photo contest, hosted by Jeremy Knipe. And this year, it's going to be a new round of photo contest. And I'm going to be the judge in this photo contest as well, along with other great photographers. One of them are a fellow Norwegian, Terje Kolos, amazing photographer from Norway. It was so great to see all the great cool images sent by you from the last year. I hope to see your images there. And the first grand prize is $1,000. That is a lot of money. We're going to judge it live in September. I will leave a link in the description. You can submit your pictures and read more about the contest. There are several categories you can submit your pictures in. Choose whatever is your best for you. Well, I hope to see your images there. I cannot wait.